Right here.
Captain said you had craft services.
Sit here, please. Face the camera.
Oh, you have the fancy chairs.
No, get up.
Huh? Oh, sorry. Oh, hey, let me help you out there.
No.
Testing,
No.
testing. Hello, Death Star! They say the camera adds a few pounds, and I've been vegging in this queue.
Fine.
Got like a little light
Mark.
sensor on the... Ow!
Out of there, Marker.
Greetings, fellow 501st and citizens of the Galactic Empire. TB84207 here, back at Central Command on the Death Star. As you can see, most forward operating units have been quarantined, the Empire of course doing everything they can to keep the galaxy as safe as possible. Shout out to the real heroes, the men and women currently on the front lines. I'm looking forward to seeing you again back out in the community as soon as possible. And to my fellow troopers, the day will come soon enough when we will be marching together side by side, continuing the good work of the Empire. Until then, stay safe, and may the 4th be with you. Nailed it!